Hello traders and welcome to tradingwithbill.com. Good to be with you. I'm Bill and it's a Thursday, September 14th, 2017. Good to be with you. It is bright blue sunny skies, not a cloud in the sky, warm, absolutely gorgeous here in Pattaya, Thailand. And we're going to take a look at some charts today. Before we do that, let's take a look at what's going on for data today. We just had some Aussie news came out and actually bumped the Aussie up on good numbers. Their employment change was 54.2 with a 15.0K expected. So really good numbers out of Aussie. The Aussie charts, as you can see, we'll take a look at in a second here, but down here you can see it made a nice move to the upside. Actually, that's my trade plan of the day, is to sell this at the 68.3 Fibonacci level, and guess what? It's right there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, what else is going on? The Swissy has industrial production today, year on year. French CPI. Swiss interest rate decision comes out today in the European session. We got the pounds, got a bunch of stuff today. BOE interest rate decision also in the pound today. Meeting minutes. Core CPI out of the U.S. today. Initial jobless claims. Wow, full day today in data. We really have a lot of data today. And I only put out the ones that are high impact. But really, check your economic calendar today. We have quite a bit going on out there. All right, so we'll take a look at commodities. Gold is still at that 1324.42 level. And Brent oil is at 55.06. Crude WTI is at 49.23. I expect that by the end of the week to be above 50. Let's see what's going on. U.S. coffee is up 2.10%, and natural gas is up 0.13%. Let's take a look at indices. S&P 500 futures down negative 0.06%. NASDAQ futures down 0.05%. Dow up 0.18%. S&P VIX negative 0.76%, with the DAX up 0.23%. Nikkei 225 up 0.16%. The US dollar is up 0.10%. And the Euro index is negative 0.04% as we speak. So that's what's going on in the calendar and the numbers today. Let's get to the chart. Let's talk about this Aussie. You know, that data come out, and this was my trade plan. And this thing just shot right up here. My thought process for today was this was a really nice sell-off yesterday. We're going to get profit taken. We're going to get, this is going to give us a pullback. So the 61.8, I was looking for this to take this to the downside. Excuse me. So that's what we were looking at. Nice confluence there. You got the 200 exponential moving average. Well, data comes out and now brings me up to my area that I want to sell this. So we're going to watch this closely. We might be able to get into this before the end of the Asia session and before the London session. Would be really nice to get in this a little early today and see if we can take this back down. So we'll see how this works, and we'll keep a really close eye on it. All right, just making sure my timer was still going there and the charts were still working. I don't see a lot of movement there. So other things that are going on, I really didn't see anything earth-shattering. Here's our New Zealand. Back up to this 200. This would have been a really nice limit order here. If you just put your order in to sell at that 200 exponential moving average, this would have worked fine. Now it's too late, right? Now it's too late. Even though it's not a lot of pips, but it's too late because now you're coming into more support. If you got in at the 200, you're better off than you would if you were taking this now. I wouldn't take this now. You're going to have to wait on this one. But we know our bias is bearish, right? Bearish bias. Okay. What else we got going on, folks? Take a look at the dollar yen. Yeah, this thing just moving up, which is good. We'd like to see that. We can take that trend line out of there. This is moving up nicely. It's taking out these highs. So this just might continue to the upside, which is a good thing for the dollar. Yeah, I guess that's about it, folks. We could take a look at the pound. Take a look at the pound, see what the pound's doing. So this sold off yesterday and and now is sideways. This to me really looks like L for lower, down to the right. We've taken out, well, we got to be pretty close here. We haven't hit this this level down here at this 3180 level. I'd be careful here, but you can't. I wouldn't sell this here. When you're coming into the 200, you'd really want to see this pull back, folks. You really would like to see this pull back. This is really not a spot to sell this, even though I'm extremely bearish on the pound, especially now. But yeah, we don't want to see a pullback here, at least to the 50%, and we could take down from the 50% fib and sell that. But right at the moment, I wouldn't do anything with it. Just let it hang out. There's so much data coming out of the pound today. Do you really want to be in a pound trade? Probably not, right? You don't want to be in. You want to be in front of that freight train. They got tons of data coming out today. All right, folks, pretty slim day today. Easy going. Have a great weekend. Remember, I do not do videos on Friday. And have a good trading day today and tomorrow. Always remember to trade safe, not hard. Think about your entries. Make sure your stops are in the right spot. And have a great trading day. Make some pips. Traders, again, thanks for being with me this week, and we'll catch you on Monday. Take care now. Bye-bye.